Today we're actually going to be looking at the wheel covers for the Model Y, and I actually have a set of caps that go on underneath the wheel covers. So you take the wheel covers off and the caps go on there, and we'll see what works better or what looks better basically on the Model Y. This is actually something that I've done in the past on our other Model Y, but this actual one is actually a darker color, so maybe it would actually look better than the one that we put on the 2020 Model Y, because it actually had more of a silver color on the wheels. So this one is actually more of a dark gray. And also, since we just did a video on the efficiency between the wheel covers on and wheel covers off, I thought it'd be a good time to take the wheel covers off and put those caps on for the next 600 miles or so to do that test on the wheel covers off and the efficiency for that, as well as, you know, see what these things look like. So let's check it out. All right, so I thought it was only fair that we did the tire gel and cleaned up the wheels really good to make it look nice with the wheel covers on. Cleaned them up. The car is not clean. It's pretty dirty, but the wheels are clean. So we're gonna go ahead and take these wheel covers off. So here it is with the wheel covers off. None of the cap kit on. So just the bare wheels, lug nuts as well. So we have this cap kit here. So the wheel cap kit. Each one of these goes in the center, as well as lug nut covers. You know, see what that looks like on the car. Here is with the wheel cap kit on. So here we are. Got the wheel cap on there on all of the wheels. So it actually looks pretty good. Honestly, I mean, for me, I don't know that I really like the wheel cap kit better than the wheel covers, but there it is. Most people, I think, do. So here it is. So it was very hot out here, but I did go ahead and put the wheel cap kit on the wheels versus the wheel covers that give better efficiency. But so I don't know. What do you think? Do you think that it looks better with the wheel cap kit or the wheel covers? I don't know. To me, I actually don't really mind it either way. So I would rather just probably get the better efficiency, but to each their own. So anyway, thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.